I love you, Susie!
1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3!
Touchdown, baby! Run, Susan, run! Don't trust me! Yeah! Go faster! Joe! Joe, come on! We're gonna do great tonight. I'll improve so much. You've done great. You've done great. You've done great. And I did greater, but okay, Val. I'm kidding. We're gonna be locked in tonight. Remember dot accuracy. Yeah. Don't frack notes, please.
Shake that boot down! Don't be stiff!
Play with swagger. Play with
swag!
Hey, scoot. Say your thing.
This is probably the best section I've ever been a part of. So
wait, can we see this part till after?
I'm really happy that I'm sorry. I love you
guys. Yeah.
Why are you? Oh!
Okay, that's enough.
Talking on this camera. Stella? Yes.
Honka.
Sarah?
Good luck. Hey guys.
Please welcome drum majors Elijah Geck and Susie Tussie as they direct the final halftime show of the year. The Celtic Marching Band will round out our McScary season
by revisiting some of our favorites, then closing the show with a brand new performance of Michael Jackson's Thriller. After the performance, we will recognize the marching band seniors and their parents. Put your hands together for our 2025 McScary Marching Band one last time.
this time we are going to honor our marching band seniors along with some important adults in their lives. So we're going to have our seniors step forward, meet their parents,
Go to the tunnel.
and our underclassmen head over to the tunnel.
4 minutes. 4 minutes, ladies, come on.
Each senior is going to be presented with a flower, and we thank them for their commitment and dedication to the McNary Marching Band.
Let's welcome back your boys in blue. As we get ready to start the second half, make sure you stop by the 50-50 table, get those 50-50 tickets. All our proceeds go to benefits of Sydney Black Party.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good job, guys. Oh yeah. 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 Thanksgiving.
Dylan, what are you doing over there?
Ooh. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Camera. No, you gotta do it. Stick drive, stick drive. Fist bump.
May I shake your hand?
Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Fist bump, fist bumps, fist bumps, fist bumps, fist bumps, fist bumps.
Were you recording the whole time?
Yes. Fist bumps.
Are you locked in, Dylan?
Oh yeah. Fist bumps, fist bumps.
You two locked in, bro.
Huh? I was locked in. I was so locked in.
You got like our best one yet.
Oh my god, by far. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bumps, fist bumps, fist bumps. Oh yeah.
Recording?
Yes. Fist bumps, fist bumps.
That's pussy!
Fist bumps.
Fist bump!
Okay, bro.
Fist bump!
Towards us.
Did you make me jiggle?
Yes. Yeah. Better than ever.
Yes! Yeah!
Yeah, fist bumps, fist bumps.
Dizzy.